Hi guys, this is Shruti. Welcome to House of Kalakriti. IKEA is known for good quality and affordable prices. You will find huge collection of kitchen organizers and kitchen items at IKEA store as well. I have tried to showcase some of the best organizers under rupees 500 for your kitchen. The best part is that all these organizers are easily available on Amazon as well. I'll share the links of all the products in the description box as well. Every one of us wants the clutter-free kitchen. In my house, most of the time I put my cutlery in these old cups, steel containers or glass jars. But that creates lot of hassles. Whenever I need to pick anything, my cutlery keeps falling out. So here it comes a solution. I found this beautiful, amazing kitchen organizer that is a cutlery tray which is grey in color. You can put lot of spoons, miscellaneous items in this, and it is so sturdy and very good in quality. This is really amazing. I should say clever fitting inside the drawer and cabinets. Keeps things very much organized. You can use it in other ways also. If you want, you can keep your stationery in this as well and put it in the study table drawers. It's clutter free. In one go you can see all the things at one go only, and it is very convenient and very useful thing. I was really fed up of cleaning my microwave from all the sides whenever I need to reheat my food. I found this IKEA microwave lid with several small holes to release the steam. It fits most of the microwave ovens. It withstands the temperature 212 Fahrenheit. This is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. It is made up of polypropylene plastic material. If you have microwave, you should buy this without any second thought to minimize your cleaning effort and time. It helps my microwave to get clean after every single use. As my kitchen is very small, so I always look out such kind of organizers which are space saving. So I found this cabinet rack holder over the door. You can put it. This is the kitchen roll holder basically, and it is very easy to install. See, I can put my tissue over this roll and I can easily take it out. You can place it horizontally also and vertically also. It is multifunctional. You can also place your kitchen towels over it. It is a space-saving organizer. Stacking makes our things more simplified in our kitchen. So here it comes. This is IKEA napkin holder. You can keep napkins together, making them stand straight in the holder, or also you can place them horizontally regardless of any number, because there is a quite good gap between these two. So you can place lot of things as well. I generally faced a problem while stacking my trays, serving trays in fact. So I found this solution. I put my all serving trays in this holder and it has a quite good width. It can adjust it. It is made up of polypropylene plastic. This plastic material is of high grade quality, quite durable, and it looks sturdy as well. इसी के साथ साथ मैंने यहाँ पे अपना चॉपिंग बोर्ड भी रखा है, वो भी काफ़ी इजीली इसके अंदर आ गया है. This organizer not only solve my problem but also beautify my kitchen. It hangs over the top edge of the door and helps you convert unused space into a storage space for keeping the bags, iron board or small study table. I have been used this product for many months now. It is well constructed and sturdy. Does not feel flimsy at all. As it is made up of metal, it had a good weight to it that prevent it from moving around when hung from a door. The knobs are designed well so that the clothes, bags do not slip off at all. It is multifunctional. This kind of stainless steel rack, you can place it in your washroom, in your bedroom or in your kitchen door as well. But you order if you have proper gap between door and door frame. Otherwise your door will not be closed since this product is thick and sturdy. Due to the less space in my kitchen, I always want that my kitchen countertop to be clutter free. Therefore, I purchased these heavy metal hanging spice rack or cabinet storage. These are space saving floating shelf for kitchen. I purchased 3. It is made up of strong, sturdy and durable, rust proof, and they can be hung firmly on the wall and will not fall down. It can load 5 kg on each rack. It has open design for maximizing the air circulation so that there will be no accumulation of water at the bottom of rack. This floating shelf has increased the rack protection by having the fence which is effectively prevents the jars or other things from falling off. These glasses will be excellent pick for you. This comes in proper packaging. The quality is great and very sturdy. It is value for money, I should say. I am very happy with these beautiful water drinking glasses. It is worth buying. I will share the links of all the products so that you can check out the prices of this product as well, and if you want to purchase, you can directly purchase from Amazon also. I bought this IKEA vacuum flask during the COVID times. Since then, it has been very useful product to me. I continue using it till date. It keeps the content warm and cold for 6 hours. The finish and quality of this product is fantastic. It looks great at my kitchen window as well. It is fairly large. The capacity of this vacuum flask is 1000 ml. It is worth buying and it looks sleek and trendy. I found these beautiful artificial plants as a set of 3 on IKEA. It is perfect for the indoor decoration. I purchased it for my kitchen countertop. It looks amazing. The finish is really good. It actually looks sometimes real as well. So I would definitely recommend this product if you are looking for. This is very beautiful and attractive piece. This is wall mounted artificial indoor and outdoor IKEA plant. It is 26 by 26 centimeter one piece. So I purchased 3 as a set of 3. You can join them and place it wherever you want it over the wall, whether you want vertical or horizontal. I am using it from a very long time. Might be you have seen in my backdrop of my videos as well. It looks very beautiful and it looks trendy. So that's all about in this video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If yes, then don't forget to hit the like button and do comment as well. A big shout out to my new viewers for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. I have also made one more video on IKEA that is also based on the kitchen organizers. If you like this video, you can proceed with that video as well. I will share the link in the description box. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.